Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Sania, how is everything?
So everything is good.
Ikra, how are you doing?
I am doing well, sir.
Very good. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What about you, Himanshu?
I'm also fine, sir.
Ronak, how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Ronak, what are we studying in the classroom?
We are studying in tenses.
We are studying.
We are studying
Okay. Can you name the tense we are studying?
simple present.
Okay. Can you tell me at least two usages of simple present?
The uses of simple present tense is habits and directions.
Can you give me one example of habits?
I always
जैसे कि मैं डेली चॉकलेट खाती हूँ डेली जो भी लाइक एनी
I
एक्टिविटी
always eat chocolates.
वेरी गुड सानिया कैन यू टेल मी वन यूसेज ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट
Yes, sir. One usage of simple present is it is used to talk about universal truths
ओके वेरी गुड कैन यू गिव मी वन एग्जांपल
like the sun rises in the east
वेरी गुड यहाँ पर राइजेस क्यों होगा व्हाई आर वी यूजिंग
because
राइजेस
the sun is the third name. Like
थर्ड
name.
पर्सन सिंगुलर
Yes, sir.
हिमांशु कैन यू टेल मी एटलीस्ट वन यूसेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल
One uses of simple as a permanent situation.
वेरी गुड कैन यू गिव मी वन एग्जांपल
A permanent situation like
वी यूज ओन
on. My father own one shop.
My father owns.
My father owns one shop.
Very good. Ikra, can you give me one usage of the present simple tense?
The uses one example of simple present tense.
Like habit, repeated action, timetable.
Like truth.
Timetable.
Like जैसे कि plants need
Okay, this is called universal truth.
yes sir.
Plants need.
Carbon
CO2.
dioxide.
Very good. Can you give me one usage of the present simple tense?
Universal truth.
Okay, can you give me one example?
A human need oxygen.
Humans need oxygen. Very good. Ronak, are you feeling confident day by day?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because the activities and the like learning.
Sonia, what have you learned in the last 7 days?
We have learned the tenses or items,
Idioms.
idioms. Or,
What is that idiom? Go like a
So
rocket.
like the rocket.
What is the meaning of that idiom? Go like a rocket.
to
To work very
Very
well.
fast.
to
Very well.
Very well.
Is your phone working? Is your phone going like a rocket?
Yes,
Sir.
sir. My phone is working like a rocket.
Going like a rocket.
Going like a rocket.
Ikra, you have been learning so many things. Can you tell me at least 10 topics that you have studied at English period in the last 20 days?
Okay, sir. I am learning English period for first point is verb forms. Second verbs. Third
Like what are the verbs that you have
Only-
studied? Do you know infinitive?
infinitives में
2 plus V1.
2 plus V1 और 4 से पहले ing लग
4 plus
plus
ing.
ing
Is gerund.
Jaren.
Jiram.
Can you give me one sentence? Can you tell me one sentence in which there is an infinitive?
Moving on.
नहीं, infinitive.
Infinitive.
जैसे मैं घर चलाने के लिए कमाता हूँ. जैसे मैं इम्प्रूव करने के लिए इंग्लिश की क्लास करता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
आई लर्न इंग्लिश टू इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन. टू इम्प्रूव क्या हुआ? टू इम्प्रूव हुआ आपका इन्फिनिटिव.
Infinite.
कोई दूसरा एग्जाम्पल बोलो. मैं यहाँ सीखने के लिए आती हूँ. आई कम हेयर
I come here
टू
to
लर्न.
learn English.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. यश, what about you? Are you learning something new every day?
Yes, sir.
Like
Like tenses, holiday
vocabulary?
or holiday vocabulary, and
That's very good. Ronak, what changes have you made after joining the English Period Institute?
My confidence is built up.
So, how is this possible? Like, how is this? How are you working on your communication or confident? And what's the role of the
I
English
used
Period
to-
Institute?
I used to talk with my friends in English, and in the class I used to talk in English.
What is the most interesting thing that you find at English Period?
The environment is friendly.
Can you explain that?
The s-
We don't need to laugh.
the behavior of sir is very friendly and well.
Is it all about the environment? It's only about a person.
No
Environment
one
is
can-
like the people around, all other people, the staff, and how students are engaging themselves in activities. Himanshu, have you learned something new?
Yes, sir.
And what benefits have you got after joining the English Period Institute?
After joining English period, I improve. Uh, I improve my English speaking skill, and
Very good. Sania, do you believe that you are going to become a very good speaker in the
Yeah.
upcoming time?
Yes, sir. After the English period classes,